Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the BlueSuisse broker. You enter the Forex Brokers section, select BlueSuisse, and then click on Go to Website. You enter the website, and you can register in two ways, a demo account or a live account. We choose live, and in the registration section, you select your account type. For example, we want individual, so we click on Continue. In the next section, you enter your first and last name along with your email address, mobile phone number, and password. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, with at least 8 characters or more. You confirm the password by repeating it, then enter the website's terms and security code, and finally click on Register Now. An email will be sent to you to verify your account, which you will check. You select BlueSuisse and click on Confirm my email address. And finally, you log into your account. However, friends, please note that to work with the BlueSuisse website, you must upload documents such as an ID card, passport, etc. Good luck.